Holy shit, guys! Wind speed 44 knots. This is force 8, force 9. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day at sea. It's a beautiful blue sunny afternoon in the Indian Ocean near Madagascar. We are heading to South Africa, not stopping, but we are transiting it. The ultimate stop is Tima in Ghana, which is in West Africa. So that's something you have to stay tuned for. In this video, I will show you how South Africa looks from a far distance and various phenomena happening over here, because it's considered to be one of the most dangerous places, and I have faced some really bad stuff over here, especially near the east coast where there's Agulhas Current, which is a very fast current coming in. This is our weather map, and if you zoom out, you'll see that this blue part is where we are, just south of Madagascar. Madagascar is somewhere out there, but we cannot see it. It's quite far off. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen. So we have to first cross this sector, and this is the sector where Agulhas current, a very strong current, comes in. Now, as you see over here, I have checked the area section and grid section of current. So you see here it's okay, like a 0.4 knot, 0.6. But as we come near to South Africa, there are these Agulhas current coming from north to south, and these are very strong, like 1.4 knots, 1.6. And you see what's happening here. This is chaotic. Let me show you in a better way. Have a look at these arrows here. This is crazy. I mean, if you get into this with rough weather, there is something known as freak waves which happen, like a 15-20 meter wave out of nowhere slamming onto your bow or sides, whatever direction it is coming from. I have faced it once. It was pretty bad, and I don't want to face it ever again in my life. So right now things are looking okay, but you should be aware of this fact. This is like our satellite system, and we received a weather report from South Africa, and you see we are right now in Madagascar East. So southeast reaching to 20-25 knots. So that it tells us like the sea state 3 to 3.5 meters over the northern parts, southeast east swell. So right now if you go outside, you'll see that you can see some white horses forming. So sea state is like before scale 4 at max. All vessels experiencing unexpected severe weather, make sure every effort to report this is sent to Cape Town radio. This is exactly what I was telling you, the danger part. So everybody knows this. So guys, today what I'm having for food is dal, rice, fish, karela, and I don't know this. Let's talk about the significance of Agulhas current. Agulhas current basically is a warm current coming from the Indian Ocean running along the east coast of Africa, more specifically South Africa. It is a very significant current for the entire ecosystem because the friction between the continental shelf and the current causes like the deep water to rise up, which is nutrient rich. So that is why it is a very beautiful, lush eastern coast along the South Africa. I've been there when I was going to Durban. Maybe I'll try to put a picture over here. Now coming to this point as to why Agulhas current plays a vital role in the global ocean circulation. There is a phenomena called Agulhas leakage. In this leakage, the current coming along the eastern part of Africa goes back into the Indian Ocean, forming warm pockets of Indian Ocean water. These are nothing but Agulhas rings or eddies. These Agulhas rings slowly traverse along the South Atlantic Ocean northwest towards North Atlantic, mixing into the Gulf Stream. And can you imagine, the Gulf Stream modulates the entire climate of North America and Europe. How about that? It is incredible. As a good example, I'm going to show you how these eddies look on a weather forecast chart. We are somewhere here today, and you see this is the Agulhas current. As I told you, it goes back into the Indian Ocean, forming these rings. These are the Agulhas rings. Wow, this is so beautiful. And if I skip, you'll see how they keep moving as well. Wow, they slowly move, but like this, they traverse all the way to all the way from here to North Atlantic, somewhere here. Yeah, there is a place where we have Gulf streams. Now, man, I am truly blown away by this fact. Let me know in the comment section if you are also blown away, and you can read more about it. I'll put a link in the description. So let's track this current now. We are in between Madagascar and South Africa, somewhere here around, if you see 395, around 400 miles from where the Agulhas Current starts. So right now our current direction is also, as you see, south-southwest, going like this, coming from our starboard shoulder, or not shoulder, quarter, and it is right now 0.7 knots. So let's see in the coming days how this is going to change. So it will give you a real-time exposure of what's happening. I'm going to show you the start of a rainbow in the Madagascar region. Wow, have a look at that. It's incomplete, but there is the start of a rainbow. It's so beautiful. Life at sea is not just about working on a ship. Sometimes you have to take a step back from work and enjoy these moments of pure bliss. It's about absorbing the energies emitted by the sun, wind, the high seas, and experiencing the oneness in the entire system. After all, we are part of the same system on Mother Earth. Today you can see it's become 1.4 knots from the south. So yesterday it was 0.8, 0.7, now it's picked up to 1.4, and this is usually the place where freak waves happen. This here is the latest weather prognosis we have received. On the right side you can see the wave height, wind sea height, swell height, etc., and of course a cyclone if it's developing. So over here there is a low pressure developing, and over the coming days we will still be over here when this low pressure is there. I am concerned about this, so I will speak to the captain about what he plans to do. But otherwise, the thing is, these waves are going to hit us from the beam, that means perpendicular to our ship side. So it can cause a lot of rolling. That's pitching, guys. It's due to the swell. And I don't know if you can see the coastline, but we are just near Port Elizabeth. We had a 12-day voyage right now in the Indian Ocean, so happy to see some land all around. Also today is a Sunday, and Sunday means biryani day on ship, so it's going to be awesome, and we've got an Indian cook who makes such delicious biryani. So let's fill our belly and start our day, and yeah, see how it's going to go in Port Elizabeth, Anchorage. Let's go. All right. Guys, I had too much of biryani here. I mean, now I feel really heavy. The time right now is 12:10 p.m. We are about to enter the Port Elizabeth area. So you see, this is the TSS. So we are not going in because otherwise we have to do all the reportings. So we will just turn around from here. There will be a boat coming here for some people to join and some people to leave, and then we proceed further.
All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Cape Town, Port Elizabeth, and Durban Radio.
Okay guys, we're going to start reducing this. The engine room is getting attended, and we have to slowly bring our telegraph down. Elizabeth port control for escape down. guys, we have a provision boat here for crew change and all of that. You can see here. It's a very damp and cold weather here, Ami. And still operations are going on. And we'll depart here in another 2 hours. Here are the winds. So, where are we? Wind speed you can see 30, 31 knots. That is like Beaufort scale 6, 7. I'll just show you how I check that. This is the Beaufort scale table. And if you see 33 knots, it's Beaufort 7, near gale, large waves, around 4 meters, 5 meters. This is easily more than that what we have outside, plus the swell. Let's see what's the action plan. So we are near, okay, we are actually at the southernmost part of this voyage right now, which is 34 degree 59.5 minutes south and 20 degree 27.3 minutes east. Our main target is to reach this point, Cape of Good Hope. You see, that is near waypoint 28, and waypoint 28, okay, it's already selected. Shit. Guys, this is bad news. It's going to be in the night time. Last night we all froze because the temperature dropped down significantly. Today, temperature is around 15-16 degree, and we are coming from a hot zone which is from Singapore, which has temperature of 35, and it was really a tough night here. Holy shit, guys, wind speed 44 knots. This is force 8, force 9. Wow, I mean not wow, but oh, this is crazy weather. Okay guys, we've got a waypoint towards Cape of Good Hope. I'm gonna start making the turn. This is our autopilot. We're changing the course. Let's see how the vessel behaves after this. Otherwise, it is rolling, pitching like crazy. I mean, it's not like this. It's just boom. So right now our ship is fully loaded. Therefore, our freeboard, which is the distance from this part to the water line, is very less. Hence, I can see the waves, you know, at a high level. These are the moments when you must surrender to the power of nature. For the biggest ships in the world are tossed around like small toys in such weather conditions. Once you're here on the deck now, then you realize the power, the sheer power of nature, the sea, the waves. From bridge, you don't get to, feel it. But from here, as you see, it is like, yeah, what do you say? I'm just out of words here. And it is just 5 hours remaining for us to reach Cape of Good Hope. I'm hoping, and I have charged my battery for the GoPro night lapse. Let's see if I can get it. Otherwise, like I told you, sometime later, while we come back maybe. So last night I did try to capture the Cape of Good Hope, but it was really bad conditions. They were full of clouds, no moonlight. So without moonlight, the GoPro cannot capture. You can see here in the small night lapse glimpse. In any case, what you have to do now is wait for the incoming episodes. We are headed to West Africa now. That will be in the next episode. You're going to enjoy it because those who are following me since a long time know that I have never been here, or I have never shown you that I have been here. So stay tuned for that, and let's see, maybe in the coming episodes while coming back here. Right now we are in the South Atlantic Ocean. While coming back from here, we might see Cape of Good Hope. So for that, you'll have to like, share and subscribe. But subscribe most importantly, because otherwise you will miss the video. Yeah, what's the point? Anyway guys, see you later from another day at sea.